السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته داودyaal iyo dhageystayaal ku soo dhawaada cashirkeeni barashada luqada afka Ingiriisiga magacaygu waa Xasan Quraani cashirka maanta aan dhiganaynaa waa cashir ku saabsan akhriska hadii aad u barateen anigoo Somali ku macnaynaya maanta waxaad arki doontaan anigii oo sheekayn akhrinaya sheekadaasi wixii aad ka fahantaan iyo wixii aad ka fahminba commentiga ayaad ku soo bixin doontaan runaantii laakiin cashirka maanta aan dhiganaynaa Hi everyone, this is Hassan from Hassan Qurani channel. For today's lesson is only for reading comprehension. So it means that you will train and understand the pronunciation of the word. So that I will read a story. So the only thing that you have to focus is the way I am pronouncing the words. That is the main point or the reason behind my recording today. Kusoo dhawaada cashirka koob iyo lixdanaad oo maanta dhiganayno lesson 61 reading comprehension. Akhriska aan bilaabo. I want to be in a relationship with her, but she avoids the topic. April 4, 2009. I have a unique situation that I am trying to deal with it. Randy and I met online in August 2008. We live 400 miles apart. We met on Space as she was setting up on our high school reunion. We never knew each other in high school. Some background info. Randy is going through a divorce and she has 3 kids. She and I started talking online, talked every day. We had great conversations, usually lasting an hour or so. We met the night before the reunion at the end of September and hit it off really well. Right after that, I found out that I was being deployed to Iraq. I'm not in the military, but work as a civilian for the army. I asked if she wanted to spend a weekend together in October and she said yes. We did the same in November. Both times we had a great time together. I slept in the same bed as her, but we never had sex, feeling it would only further complicate things. Also, we were talking every day on the phone for a couple of hours, plus we emailed during the day at work. Randy has been very upfront that she isn't ready for a committed relationship. The day I left her place, I told her I loved her. I didn't say the words, but she understands how I feel. Not sure if that was the best thing to do, but I did it. Middle of November, I left for Iraq. Since I left, Randy and I nearly talk every day, either by phone or by email or IM. It has slowed down quite a bit, but we still talk often. She is still going through the divorce. So here is the problem. My friends told me that I need to just be her friend right now. I am having a hard time doing this. My feelings for her are too great. When I bring it up to her, she tells me that she can't commit and that talking about this every now and then is starting to become a real turn-off. I understand this, but keeping my feelings close hold is hard to do. I try to flirt with her, send her flowers, notes, letters, poems. I don't do this all the time, but every once in a while. She doesn't tell me how she feels. She hasn't told me she misses me, nor has she told me that she is excited to see me when I come back for a break in June. I asked about her missing me, and she says she doesn't have time to miss me. We talk all the time, and I asked her if she was excited to see me when I come back, and she didn't answer. I believe she is out, but she puts up this wall. I understand why. I don't know if I am wasting my time with her. I don't think I can remain friends with her and move on. I've jumped in with both feet already, and it's too late to be just friends. We communicate great. We discuss the 1000 questions from that book. We play games over the phone. We don't want to be stuck in friend land. On top of that, I don't want to be a rebound either. I feel like I am always giving to her, but I receive nothing in return. Right now, Randy loves her freedom. She doesn't have to answer to anyone. I realize that going out on dates may be healthy for her, but it tears me up inside. She doesn't tell me about the dates or that she is going on them. But I do know she has. I think I am going off as needy, and I don't want that. I'm just a really great guy who fell in love with someone who isn't quite available. Plus, there is this distance too. Basically, I'm wondering if I am wasting my time, or do you guys think that something could possibly come from this? Thanks for your time, Mike. Waraaqda Mike baa inoo qoray waana waraaq talis ah oo markaa uu ku weydiisanayo qof la taliya uu ku weydiisanayo. dabcan jawaabteedana waanu soo daabici doonaa. aad iyo aad baad u mahadsantihiin intii aad akhriska la socoteen. dabcan haddii aad maxaan ku dhahdaa ereyada qaarkood fahmi weydaan commentiga ayaad kusoo qori doontaan, waana niisoo jawaabi doonaa. subscribe ku qabta. maanta cashirkeenu wuxuu ahaa reading comprehension oo akhris ah. dabcan sidan erayaasha uu akhrinayo ayaad run ahaantii u fiirsanaysaan, aadna muhiim ayay nigu noqon doontaa. waa macalin xasan oo leh maalintu waa nii wacnaato meelaad joogtaanba.